Ever wonder how some people turn pennies into millions? It's not magic, it's the stock market. The stock market is a dynamic and ever-changing environment where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. It's a place where strategy, knowledge, and a bit of luck come together to create opportunities for financial growth. Imagine a world where you can own pieces of giant companies like Apple or Tesla. These companies are not just brands, they are powerhouses of innovation and growth. By owning their stocks, you become a part of their journey, sharing in their successes and learning from their challenges. That's what trading is all about. It's about being part of a larger story, a global narrative of commerce and industry. Every trade you make is a step into this vast, interconnected world. The stock market is like a giant auction. Here, buyers and sellers come together to negotiate prices, driven by supply and demand. It's a place where every second counts and decisions must be made swiftly and confidently. People buy and sell pieces of companies called stocks. It's fast-paced and exciting. The thrill of seeing your investments grow, the anticipation of market movements, and the satisfaction of making a well-timed trade are all part of the experience. But don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. The stock market is accessible to everyone, regardless of background or experience. With the right tools and resources, anyone can learn to invest wisely. With a little knowledge and guidance, you can learn to navigate this exciting world. There are countless resources available, from online courses to mentorship programs designed to help you understand the basics and develop your own trading strategies. Let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom, one trade at a time. By taking the first step and investing in the stock market, you open the door to a world of possibilities. Whether you're looking to build wealth for the future, achieve financial independence, or simply learn more about how the economy works, the stock market offers endless opportunities for growth and discovery. So are you ready to embark on this thrilling journey? Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of stock trading together. Think of the stock market as a giant online marketplace, bustling with activity and opportunities. It's where companies go to raise money by offering a portion of their ownership to the public. They do this by selling shares of ownership, which are called stocks. These stocks represent a claim on the company's assets and earnings. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. You become a shareholder, which means you have a stake in the company's future. This means you have the potential to earn money as the company grows and its stock price increases. The value of your investment can rise, leading to capital gains. But remember, the market can go down too. Stock prices can be volatile, influenced by various factors like economic conditions, company performance, and investor sentiment. That's why it's important to do your research and invest wisely. Understanding the market trends, the financial health of companies, and the broader economic environment can help you make informed decisions. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a place where patience and strategy are key. Successful investors often spend time analyzing data, studying market trends, and learning about the companies they invest in. It's about building wealth over the long term. By investing consistently and holding onto your investments, you can benefit from the power of compounding returns. This means the money you earn from your investments can be reinvested to generate even more earnings over time. Diversification is also crucial. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you create a balanced investment strategy tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Historically, the stock market has shown a tendency to grow over the long term, despite short-term fluctuations. This growth can be attributed to the overall expansion of the economy and the increasing value of companies. While there are no guarantees, a well-thought-out investment plan can lead to financial success and help you achieve your financial goals. So take the time to learn, stay informed, and approach the stock market with a long-term perspective. With diligence and patience, you can navigate the complexities of the stock market and work towards building a secure financial future. Stocks are like little pieces of big companies. When you buy a stock, you're becoming a part owner. It's like owning a slice of your favorite pizza place, except tastier because it could make you money. There are two main types of stocks, common and preferred. Common stock gives you voting rights in the company. Preferred stock usually doesn't, but it often pays a fixed dividend. No matter which type you choose, remember, investing in stocks means investing in a company's future. Do your research, find companies you believe in. Have you heard people talking about bull and bear markets? These terms are often thrown around in financial news and discussions, but what do they really mean? Let's dive deeper into the world of market sentiment and understand how these terms shape our investment decisions. These terms describe the overall mood of the stock market. A bull market is like a party. Imagine a room filled with excitement and optimism. Investors are confident and stock prices are rising steadily. This is a period where the economy is generally doing well and companies are reporting strong earnings. People are eager to invest, hoping to ride the wave of growth and make substantial profits. Everyone's happy, prices are rising, and investors are confident. It's a good time to buy stocks. But what happens when the mood shifts? Enter the bear market. A bear market is the opposite. It's like a rainy day. Prices are falling, investors are worried, and everyone's feeling gloomy. During this time, the economy might be slowing down, and companies could be facing challenges. Investors become cautious, and the overall sentiment is one of fear and uncertainty. It can be a good time to buy stocks at a discount, but be careful. The market can be unpredictable, and prices might fall further before they recover. Remember, the market is always changing. Don't let fear or greed guide your decisions. Stay informed and invest wisely. It's crucial to have a well-thought-out investment strategy and to stick to it, regardless of market conditions. Diversifying your portfolio can help manage risk, and staying updated with market trends and economic indicators can provide valuable insights. Whether you're in a bull or bear market, maintaining a long-term perspective and not getting swayed by short-term fluctuations is key to successful investing. So, keep learning, stay patient, and make informed decisions to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the stock market. Ready to jump into the exciting world of trading? First, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it like your online trading headquarters. Once you've got an account, you can start placing orders. Buy orders mean you want to purchase a stock. Sell orders mean you're ready to cash in on your investment. Remember, trading can be addictive. Set limits for yourself. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. The stock market is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs. That's called volatility. Volatility can be scary, but it's also an opportunity. Savvy investors use these price swings to their advantage. They buy when prices are low and sell when prices are high. Remember, don't panic. Sell when the market dips. Ride out the waves. Over the long term, the stock market tends to go up. Want to understand how a company is really doing? Check out its financial statements. These reports are like a company's report card. They tell you how much money the company is making, how much debt it has, and other important information. Don't worry, you don't need to be an accountant to understand them. Look for key metrics like revenue, earnings per share, and debt-to-equity ratio. By learning to read financial statements, you can make smarter investment decisions. Section 8. The art of valuation, price versus worth. Just because a stock is expensive doesn't mean it's a good investment, and just because a stock is cheap doesn't mean it's a bargain. The key is to understand the difference between price and value. Price is what you pay for a stock. Value is what it's really worth. There are many ways to value a company, but it all comes down to estimating its future earnings potential. Remember, buy low, sell high. Look for undervalued companies with strong growth potential. Section 9. Risk and reward, two sides of the same coin. Investing in the stock market involves risk. There's always the chance that you could lose money, but there's also the potential for big rewards. The key is to find the right balance for your risk tolerance. If you're risk-averse, you might want to stick with more conservative investments like blue-chip stocks. If you're comfortable with more risk, you might consider growth stocks or even options trading. Remember, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Section 10. Ready to take charge of your financial future? The stock market can be your ticket to financial freedom, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, knowledge, and a bit of courage. Start by educating yourself. Read books, take online courses, and follow financial news. Practice with a demo account before investing real money. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. Section 11. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Trading stocks involves risk and potential loss of capital. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions.